Now we will explain how to install this fully automatic smart lock. Mark the door with template. The oblique tongue direction can be adjusted according to the direction of the door. There's a pig. After it pops up, rotate it 180 degrees and press back accordingly. The lock body has been adjusted. Next, install the lock body. Screw. Install the lock cylinder. The lock cylinder keyhole should face the outside of the door. Lock cylinder screw on. Take the mechanical key. Test whether the door is smooth. Lock to the left. Unlock on the right. Matching of the buckle plate and the buckle box. Check if the holes are aligned. The holes on the other side can only be opened if the holes are aligned. Install the front panel. Base plate glue has direction. Front facing down. The base plate glue has been installed. Screw on the screen sleeve. Screw on. Tighten. Remove the display screen on the back panel. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the rear base plate at the same time. Install the silicone corresponding to the rear base plate. Note, the rear base plate also has the front facing down. Install the base plate glue. Install the front panel. First, pass the thread through. The hole of the lock cylinder must be aligned with the lock cylinder hole of the panel. Install base plate. Base plate has direction. The square hole faces up. Put the screws on. Take the tool and lock it. Check if the lock is in balance. After inspection, tighten the screws thoroughly. First of all, this position should be aligned. The central point in the center of a circle. This square rod has a correct position towards the inside. The long one is reserved for the outside. After advancing inside, the surface of this base plate and the position of the square rod leave about 2 centimeters. The same goes for the tail strip of the lock cylinder. The thickness of the rear panel tail strip watchman is cut. You can adjust its balance. First, look at the square rod in the round hole. Is it in the center? After confirming that it is correct, see if the front panel is in a vertical state. Connect the connecting cable. The spring has a direction distinction. This is the small ones. The big one here. Put in the handle hole facing the big one. Keep the connecting cable well. Anti-lock tongue tail strip aligned with the keyhole. Align the tail strip of the lock cylinder with the manual knob. Now screw on the back panel. Take the tool and lock it. Now test whether the handle is smooth to lock and unlock. Another one is an anti-lock tongue. Screw to the right is an anti-lock. To the left is an unlock. There is also a hand knob. Press to the bottom. Screw to the right is a lock stage. Twist to the left is an unlock stage. Install lithium battery. This battery is directional. This one contact point towards this slot on the back panel. Then install the display screen. This one has a current slot. The position of the battery cover must exceed this current position. To install it, then test the mechanical key. The mechanical keyhole is in this position. Press this position below to pop up. A lock cylinder hole where the key is aligned. The right button is an unlock stage. Left lock. So let's start by lighting up the screen. Press 3 times 1. Add key. Press the number 1. The first is the left and right direction of the door lock to be adjusted by number. At this time, press the asterisk key to exit. Please exit. Press the asterisk key. Light up the screen first. Press the asterisk key plus the hashtag key. Add administrator password. 1 as user, 1 as user. Please enter the next one. Perform body sensing only when the door is closed. Slowly enter the face according to voice prompts.